Two industries I'm increasingly focusing on are the basement and foundation repair industries. And in this example, I'm going to show a couple of connectors I've created for the basement repair or the waterproofing industry. And they are objects that are going to snap onto the line, and they represent products that we might use in, again, basement waterproofing. So we can see a quick geometry here, and we'll just show how easy these objects are to work with. And we'll delete our existing geometry. And we would just go in and map out the walls of the basement. And then with these new objects, we can drop them on the drawing, go into points mode, and then we can grab them and then drop them on the drawing where we want. And we'll notice that they snap into position, and also if we zoom in, we'll see that they sit on top of the lines, making it very easy to see these objects. We'll go ahead and add a couple more. So for example, add a corner object, and just go into points mode again and snap that into position. And in this case, we've got one that's they line up in a certain direction, so we can actually grab the rotation handle, move it in position, and then grab it and drop it on the line. Now, each one of these connectors has points associated with it, so you can actually calculate dimensions. In these connectors, it's just at the center, so we can actually select the center point and select another point. We can calculate the dimension. Of course, we can go do a couple of these. We can move these using our translate mechanism. So you can see we can actually move these by 1 foot or pick an exact dimension, etc. And that just shows basically how these features would work. I expect to have a number of these objects created for the foundation industry, but this is just the start. Thank you very much.